welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi celebrity stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngompilo guys, umpilo wakamSeleko esimazi kakhulu lapha kuThando nesithembu noyindodakazi ke kaMakhumalo uMseleko kanye ke nobaba ke uMusa Mseleko. Namhlanje guys uMakhumalo kuye washira ke indaba ezimnandi lapha nenkundleni zokuxhumana and abantu ke bamqala bambongela kakhulu ke umpilo wathi ke today marks my daughter's first day at work. I wish I could have been there to share this special moment with you, but I'm grateful to Umkhulu for always being there to support. I'm so incredibly proud of you, Mtaka Tho no Tho. Thank you at Musa Mseleko for this blessing. Her name is Mpilo Enhle Aphile Mseleko. So guys, ke posta ke thombe kaMpilo bakithi ke egqoke ke formal clothes ekhombisa ukuthi ke ayipelo beyoqala ke emsebenzini ke omusha noma ke emsebenzini omusha. Yes, because uMpilo kade efunda so kusho ukuthi ke usethole ke umsebenzi. Abantu ke bayambongela lapha nenkundleni zokuxhumana bathi bayambongela ke kakhulu. Nathi sisho njalo bakithi kumnandi ukuthi umuntu mekade efunda bese ke ethola ke umsebenzi. So guys, yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and let's celebrate with the Mselekos. Bye.